See the song that sings forever. Paint the sky in dreams and patterns. One by one by one.
Obviously, there are any number of threats for those affected by the flooding, the people who are
The
still in Houston, the
floodwaters
surrounding
vanished
areas.
as fast as
But
they'd
the water
come.
holds many threats of its
A
own,
quick
not just
look
from the
at
massive, but what's
Hurricane
in.
Jose.
I mean, there's
They're
things
just
that you might
beginning
already
to
know,
turn its
like
way out
the
there.
contact with
Of
hot
the
water
north
puts
of
people at
the
risk
earthquake.
for
Leeward
diarrhea causing
Islands, it is a
bacterial
Category
infections,
2 hurricane
Legionnaires'
with
disease,
speeds by
Well,
north winds of 10 miles per
Those
hour.
sorts of places, by the way, are next to the
Research
Mississippi
those
and
maps
the
such
railroad
as
way.
makes
They're
sense.
just
Down
stay
to
right there.
Houston.
Only
Literally
into this bridge, you can see just how
It was on
fast
Tuesday
the water
lunchtime
turned
after
up.
the earthquake struck Mexico.
Rolling down the Las Vegas Strip, days after the Mandalay Bay murders. The lights are still blamming, slots are still chinging, business as usual. American resilience is amazing. So yeah, Las Vegas at the Mandalay Bay. About 4 or 5 days after the shootings. As you can see, business as usual. The motto here is Vegas Strong. And as I just came from Houston, the motto there was Houston Strong. I wonder which one came up with it first. That's another topic, but both are strong. Business as usual. Up there, That's where the first shooter was. I'm unaware of a confirmed second shooter. Who's the famous guy out here? I'm recording. I'm like a minute news guy. I'm nobody special. Trying to be like you guys with the big gear. But all I got is courage and a GoPro.
That's all you need, brother.
That's all you need. Just here after the shooting.
Everybody's trying to figure it out. They can get to the tanks because he shot to the tank before the jets.
Yeah, nobody can get over there. So that's it right now. Nobody can get that shot. So that's the goal right now. Everybody's camped.
That's the latest of the story that he shot at the tanks.
Okay.
That he was intending to blow the tanks with the people in the council.
Okay.
That would have been massive destruction.
And they're not showing the tanks. Is there any order for people not to even try to view the tanks?
The FBI confirmed that the tanks were hit by him.
Yeah.
A bullet went through, but it didn't cause an explosion.
It didn't cause an explosion. What was it, 50 caliber?
I do not know that.
Wow. So his whole goal was the tanks.
It looks like that was his goal, but it was about 1,000, over 400 feet away from him.
Yeah.
So I don't think the bullet would have gotten that far. But
It's kind of fucked up aim, right? Yeah.
now
It's one of those things you can't prove intent.
the guy was in another hotel here a weekend before.
What's that?
He was in another hotel in a similar scenario. There was a council outside who was standing from the top of the hotel. He'd been looking for targets.
Been looking for targets.
Yeah, and he went to Chicago to another council and he did the same thing.
So he went, oh wow. Does he have anybody working with him?
That's what the police were looking for.
Okay. So they're looking right now. Do you know what kind of efforts they're pushing for? I'm just trying to see what the status is, who has what story.
The question is, they're all trying to figure it out, the intent, the motive.
Yeah, it's so, yeah. Thanks, man. Dakota Crow on site at Mandalay Bay, days after the Mandalay Bay shooting. I was working a lead and I found out that the FBI is trying to establish what this guy's intent was. From what I hear, he was trying to blow up the tanks. One of the bullets penetrated the tank, didn't blow it up. One of the tanks didn't blow it up. And so now the FBI is basically trying to gather enough information to find out what this guy's intent really was in doing this horrendous act. And you got a light. I got too many pockets and gadgets and bullshit.
Okay, you said you're also a journalist. I misunderstood you.
Yes, a journalist of journalists.
Oh, okay.
Today.
Okay.
Yeah, the story is those who are trying to get the story.
Okay.
And so I've been interviewing other journalists and seeing where they are as far as their leads.
Okay.
And so what I've obtained, you know, in a little bit of time, you might already know, is that the shooter was aiming for the tanks. I don't know if that's confirmed, hearsay, if he was.
Right.
Horrible aim, but I don't know if that's, you know, fully confirmed. FBI is preventing everybody from going over there. And so the guy was trying to blow up the tanks. One bullet penetrated.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All right, so I'm passing this to you.
Okay.
You didn't know, right? So, bam, that's how it works. That's how it works. So, the key right now, I scoped out the other side of the strip from the structure. The tallest building is the Mandalay Bay Convention Center. So there's like no way to get the shot on that side. So I already see maybe a couple of press agents utilizing the helicopters nearby.
Okay.
Right? They're utilizing the helicopters nearby. I think it's a Maverick company.
Okay.
Right? And they're getting the shots, and that's why you're seeing maybe a couple of these helicopters that are looking the same.
Right.
So there are a few overzealous guys like myself, right? But I don't have the resources to buy a helicopter.
Right.
But they're getting the shot of the tanks as we speak.
Huh.
Splammers.
Good job.
Thank you.
No.
Both.
Originally, I'm from Ukraine.
Oh, nice.
Kyiv. And I work with Voice of America right now in Washington, D.C. We have like 40 plus language services because we do broadcasts only internationally.
Yeah.
So I'm covering what happened over here since Monday.
Since Monday?
Yep.
Okay, nice. Nice.
So they flew me over here on Monday night. So I came over there, did one live shot for the Facebook, and then for the yesterday, on Tuesday, Wednesday, and today's Thursday, right?
Yes.
Right. So I'm doing live shots for 2 language services about what's going on.
Okay.
Keeping them posted.
Yeah.
Because people are eager to know, especially abroad, because they don't get, you know, the info they're getting not always, you know, up to date because of the news agencies. You know, there's a certain delay, and since you're here, so it's best, you know, better to show what's going on, you know, and like talk to the people, like, you know, you know, other journalists, so we can all share, you know, the same information and keep the world
Updated.
Yep.
As to the truth.
Yep.
It's conforming to fact.
Yes, absolutely.
Took out all these Go Army trucks.
Head west on East Reno Avenue.
I don't wanna. Army. Can I get out here?
Continue on East Reno Avenue for a half mile.
You can see a row of journalists here. A row. Maybe it's because this might be the only place to park. The FBI. I don't see a 4th floor, like, broken window. FBI on that side. They got the, like, safari hats on. I wonder what they're doing. And it is a trip that these people got slaughtered in front of this structure.